In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your idea in TradingView. If you've ever had a great trading idea on your chart and wished you could quickly turn it into a video to share with others or review later, TradingView makes this really simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to move from a chart idea to a recorded video idea using the built-in tools on the platform. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have the chart open that you'd like to talk about. Take a moment to get everything ready on your screen. Zoom in or out as needed, add any indicators you want to show, and position the chart so it clearly displays the key levels or patterns you'll be discussing. This preparation helps your recording look clean and focused. Once your chart looks the way you want, look toward the top area of the TradingView interface for the Publish option. This is usually near the right-hand side, and it's the same place you'd go if you were publishing a written idea or a chart snapshot. Go ahead and click on Publish. When you click Publish, TradingView will open a new panel or window with publishing options. Normally, you might see options for publishing a text-based idea, like a written analysis with a still image of your chart. But since we're focusing on video, look carefully for the option that says Record your video idea. Click on Record your video idea. This is the key step that switches you from a simple chart post to a full video recording of your idea. After you click it, TradingView may prompt you to allow access to your microphone and possibly your camera if it supports face recordings as well. Make sure you grant these permissions so the platform can capture your voice clearly. Before you start speaking, check that your microphone is working and that background noise is as low as possible. It's a good idea to think through what you want to say. For example, explain what symbol you're analyzing, what time frame you're using, and what specific trade setup or idea you're focusing on. When you're ready, start the recording and talk through your idea while navigating your chart.